There's a lot of confusion around how to actually take the Red Seal exam. Can you write it online, or do you have to show up in person? Let's clear this up right now so you can plan your prep with confidence. When people search "Is Red Seal exam online?", they're usually hoping for flexibility. You might be working full-time, living remotely, or balancing family life. And while you can study and prepare entirely online, the actual Red Seal exam is typically written in person at a designated testing center. Each province or territory coordinates exam delivery, and that often means writing at a college or a Red Seal approved facility. So, no, you can't write the official Red Seal exam fully online from home. But don't be discouraged. Online learning plays a huge role in how thousands of Canadians prepare for the exam. You can review every major topic from your phone, laptop, or tablet. No need to wait for a classroom schedule or print materials. In fact, the most effective prep tools today are digital. We're talking about downloadable Q&A books, explanation-based study guides, and timed online tests that simulate real exam conditions. These tools help you review exactly what the exam will cover. Things like safety procedures, system diagrams, codes, formulas, and trade math. When you're using the right resources, you can actually practice answering questions just like the ones you'll see on test day. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find study tools made specifically for tradespeople preparing online. They're available as PDFs, so you can start reviewing right away, no shipping delay. Even if you haven't studied in years, this format helps break down complex ideas into manageable steps. You'll feel more confident with every session. And if you're someone who prefers visual learning or gets distracted easily, the explanation-style resources at redsealstudyguide.ca are a game changer. They walk you through not just the correct answer, but why it's correct. That kind of understanding helps you think on your feet during the exam. Now, even though the exam is written in person, many provinces allow you to register for your Red Seal exam online. That means you can book your test day from your computer and start planning your study calendar from home. The best approach is to prepare online, test in person. This combo gives you the flexibility to study when you can, and the structure of a formal, supervised exam setting. So, is the Red Seal exam online? Not exactly, but everything leading up to it can be. Whether you're brushing up on technical drawings, reviewing trade-specific math, or working through mock tests to build your stamina, you've got options. Just make sure you're using tools designed for the Red Seal standard and aligned with Canadian trades training. That's why redsealstudyguide.ca is trusted by so many tradespeople across Canada. Their digital Q&A books, explanation guides, and timed online tests are built with real exam success in mind. Start where you are, use what you have, and take that next step with purpose. Because when exam day arrives, you'll walk in prepared and walk out one step closer to certification. Your future in the trades is waiting. Let's make sure you meet it head on.